Hey, how's it going, YouTube and everybody out there? Figured I'd give you a short little video of what I do before I get it completely done and looking good again. But yeah, let's turn this around and I'll show you what I do for my job. As you can see, I do maintenance for a rental, and I'll be changing the carpet in here because, as you see, that's some pretty nasty stuff in here. There's a water line that's back up in here that I'm enclosing in, as you can see, just so that it's hidden. Got a little bit of stuff to do in here, but I had to patch a couple holes, and to patch that one. It's got a fireplace in it. It's pretty cool. All the apartments here do. And then we got this one that I'll be replacing the carpet in and painting, doing some drywall work in it here. I ran out of mud, so figured I'd do some more prep work and get all that set up before I went and got. But as you can see, another patch hole there. And bathroom, of course, you know, there's a patch hole here. Got a little bit of stuff in here to do. Cover that hole up. I'm going to put linoleum in here instead of the carpet. And the hallway, I'm actually thinking about making most of this hallway linoleum too. Yeah. But that's what I do. Thanks, man. You guys enjoy, and as I get further along and get it looking better, I'll show you more of what it looks like. Yeah, let me show you the ceiling here. I got a little bit up there that I got to repair. And then this door here, it's got a little bit. But like I said, I ran out of drywall mud. I wasn't paying attention when I got it, and that's what I got. So at least I got that covered. All right, thanks. You guys have a good day.